Mijwan. Mijwan.
Mijwan.
Mijwan.
Mijwan. Mijwan. Mijwan. Mijwan. Mijwan.
Mijwan. Mijwan. Mijwan. Mijwan. Mijwan.
Mijwan.
Mijwan.
इसी ज़मीन पर मैंने घुटनियों चलना सीखा, इसी ज़मीन पर मैंने खड़े होने सीखा, इसी ज़मीन पर शायद मैं पहली मरतबा तुतला के बोला होऊंगा। और आज मेरी आवाज़ सारे हिंदुस्तान में और बल्कि हिंदुस्तान के बाहर मालिया के उधर भी गूंज रही है। ये इसी धूल की देन है। आज मैं उसकी यहाँ जो वापस आया हूँ शहरों को छोड़ के, तो उसकी एक किस्त अदा कर रहा हूँ। जितना मुझे दिया है इस गांव ने, उसकी एक छोटी सी किस्त अदा कर रहा हूँ। अभी मुझे बहुत कुछ इस गांव के लिए करना है और वो मैं करूँगा।
If India is to make true progress, then we have to turn our focus towards rural India, where 80% of our population lives, and that we need to do so with a focus on the girl child.
I plead to my young friends here today, arise. As Kaifi Saab always said, कोई तो सूद चुकाए, कोई तो जिम्मा ले, उस इनकलाब का जो आज तक उधार सा है.
And I think the biggest star is Mijwan society in itself, Kaifi Saab's dream.
What we are doing here is a very, very small gesture actually. We have to do a lot more.
I think what Mijwan is doing is incredible. Empowerment of women is extremely essential in this country.
Actually support a noble cause like this, and encouraging and empowering young girls is just something that is very close to my heart, and I'm happy I can be a catalyst.
Well, for me, it's Shabana Azmi, who's the face of Mijwan Sonnet Fabric. Well, like Shabana, for me to do something, it's just a yes.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Hope you guys enjoyed our show. Yeah, great. I'm really happy to associate myself with Mijwan Welfare Society, which works for the girl child in Mijwan, Azamgarh, UP. Well, most of us out here, especially the film industry, we surround ourselves with such glamorous setting that we often lose touch of the real world. I'm grateful to Namrata and Shabana auntie for sensitizing me to the needs of the people of our villages, where 80% of our India lives. I'm really happy that my parents are here, and I would like to thank them for raising my sister Ridhima and me equally. Actually, that's not entirely true. I believe my sister had an edge over me because she's a girl. I wish to see this with every girl child in India. I wish that all parents give their daughters an edge over their sons to make up for all the years in our society where the girls have been treated lesser than the boys. We must give the girl child an equal opportunity and serve them a level-headed platform so they can achieve as much as all the boys in this world. As we all know, change has always been brought by the youth, and 50% of India is under the age of 25. I appeal to the youth of our country to get involved in such organizations to help the villages, such as Mijwan Welfare Society. Be the change you want to see in the world.
मिजवान, क्या आप मिजवान का इफेक्ट फर्स्ट पर्सन और सेकंड पर्सन दोनों के लिए यूज होता है? जैसे
Yes, I do.
Yes, I do.
रीडिंग अ बुक, ये रीडिंग हमारी क्रिया है.
Very, very good. You are absolutely brilliant.
पास्ट टेंस में वो हो जाता है had.
They were playing with a ball.
Very good.
I have committed myself to Mijwan. Will you? Once again, will you?